Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to manually download and install Windows updates that don't want to install using the normal method, using Windows Update itself. So I went here and I checked for an update, and at first it said can't update, and now it finally went through, but it's stuck at downloading at 0%. So what we're going to do, instead of trying to wait for this to finish, obviously you should try and reboot first and see if that happens, but if it doesn't happen and it keeps saying can't update or it doesn't download, then what you could do, you could go to your web browser, say do a Google search for the KB number and download, and then go to the catalog.update.microsoft.com page, or you could just go to the page here. So let's say let me copy this number here, and then do a search for it. And then you can see we have the cumulative update for Windows 11 on x64 and then ARM64. So obviously you have to know which processor you have. So we're going to download the one for the proper processor here. Click on the link. Pick the download location. We'll just save it to downloads. So 275 megabytes. Okay, so now if we go to our downloads, so here's the file we just downloaded. Double click it. And then say yes to install it. So this part will take a little time, so just fast forwarding through it so you don't have to sit here and watch the whole thing. Okay, so now it's doing the update, and that was real quick. So the initial part took a long time. So now this part was a lot faster. So we'll go ahead and restart the computer, then we'll go back to Windows Update and see how it looks. Okay, let's log in. All right, let's go back to Windows Update and see what we got here. Okay, check for updates. Okay, so that other update, the KB number is done, so it just has some .NET update to do. So the other one was a big update, so that's why it took some time. So now it looks like this update's working at least. So once again, once you get the KB number from the update that's not working, you could just go to the Windows Update catalog, paste in the KB, do a search for it, and then download it and install it manually, and then you should be good to go. And then hopefully your next update works like it is in this case here. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.